Hello students, now I am going to discuss how to find out number of optical isomers, and I will discuss how to remember all these formulae. Finding number of optical isomers is very important for NEET and JEE. Please listen, definitely you will get benefit from this class. To find out number of optical isomers, we have to divide molecules into two types: symmetrical molecule, unsymmetrical molecule. What is symmetrical molecule? Molecule is divided into two equal halves. Unsymmetrical molecule means molecule is not divided into two equal halves. First, I will give formula for unsymmetrical molecule. Look at this. Number of optical active isomers equal to 2 power n. Number of optical inactive isomers, also called as meso compounds, 0. And total number, just you have to add a plus m. M value 0, right? That's why this is also 2 power n. Very easily we can remember for unsymmetrical molecule. For unsymmetrical molecule, optical active isomers 2 power n, inactive are 0, total also 2 power n. Here n indicates number of chiral carbons. Chiral carbon means carbon which is attached to 4 different groups. It is called as chiral carbon. Next, symmetrical molecule. We can divide symmetrical molecules into two types. First one, symmetrical molecule having even number of chiral carbons. Here symmetrical molecule having odd number of chiral carbons. Now I will explain you how to remember formulas for even number of chiral carbons, odd number of chiral carbons present in the symmetrical molecule. First you can do like this: A, M, T. Here ulta, T, M, A. Here A for number of optical active isomers, M for number of meso compounds, T for total number of isomers. Just follow how I am saying. Optical active isomers equal to 2 power n minus 1. Right hand side, here also 2 power n minus 1. Observe carefully. Even number 2 power n minus 1, optical active isomers. Odd number total isomers are 2 power n minus 1. Okay. And next, odd number chiral carbons, number of meso carbons equal to, write as it is 2 power n minus 1, but you can write divided by 2. Understood? You can write as it is, but you can write divided by 2. What about even number? M equal to, you can write 2 power n minus 2 divided by 2. If you observe carefully, here 2 power n minus 2, here 2 power n minus 1. In even number of chiral carbons, meso compounds 2 power n minus 2 by 2. Odd number of chiral carbons, meso compounds 2 power n minus 2. N minus 1 divided by 2. Here 2 is present, here 1 is present. Then total number of isomers, very simple. Just you can add A plus M. Here right hand side, right hand side, active isomers, we have to subtract total minus meso compounds. Sometimes they are asking find out number of racemic mixtures or number of enantiomeric pairs. Formula is very simple. Number of racemic mixtures or number of enantiomeric pairs equal to A by 2. What is A? Number of optical active isomers. You can apply this formula for all kinds of molecules. Let us discuss some examples. First one, if you observe this molecule, it has only one chiral carbon and it is unsymmetrical molecule. That's why, what is the formula? Number of optical active isomers equal to 2 power n. Meso compounds always 0. Total also 2 power n. And racemic mixture A by 2. Active isomers divided by 2. Here what is the n value? N value equal to 1. Number of chiral carbons equal to only 1. So 2 power 1 equal to 2. Here also 2 power 1 equal to 2. and number of racemic mixtures. Active isomers, how many are there? 2 are there, divided by 2 equal to 1. These two are optical active isomers. One is dextro, one is levo. Equimolar mixture of dextro isomer and levo isomer is called racemic mixture, and this dextro and levo is called as enantiomeric pair. Now second molecule, COOH, CHOH, CHOH, COOH. It is a tartaric acid. It has two chiral carbons. What is the N value? N equal to 2. Next, it is symmetrical molecule. And having even number of chiral carbons. What is the formula? Number of optical active isomers A equal to 2 power n minus 1. Optical inactive isomers are meso compounds, 2 power n minus 2 by 2. And total number, just you have to add A plus m. Number of racemic mixture enantiomers pairs, optical active isomers divided by 2. Now you can write 2 in place of n. So 2 power 2 minus 1 equal to 2. And second, 2 power 2 minus 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. Total 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Active isomers 2 are there, right? Active isomers 2 are there. So 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. Okay, in tartaric acid, optical active isomers are 2. Inactive isomer or meso compound is 1. Racemic mixture also 1. This is the tartaric acid. Tartaric acid exists in the 3 forms. First form, this is the second, this is third. In these three, first one is active, second one also active, but third one is inactive or meso. Reason, if you observe this third molecule, it have plane of symmetry. That's why optically inactive. Here 1 and 2 are called as enantiomeric pair or racemic mixture. In these two, one should be dextro, one should be levo. Dextro means it rotates plane polarized light towards right hand side. Levo means it rotates plane polarized light towards left hand side. Inactive compound or meso compound, it cannot rotate the plane polarized light. Third example, COOH, CHOH, COOH. It is the symmetrical molecule and having 3 chiral carbons, odd number of chiral carbons. What is the formula? Total number of isomers T equal to 2 power n minus 1. Total number. Number of meso compounds or optical inactive equal to 2 power n minus 1 divided by 2. If you want number of optical active isomers, T minus m. And last, number of racemic mixtures is equal to active isomers divided by 2. Here, what is n value? Number of chiral carbons 3. So 2 power 3 minus 1 equal to 2 power 2 equal to 4. Total is 4. Next, 2 power 3 minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 power 1 equal to 2. Active isomers 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Number of racemic mixtures, active isomers are 2 by 2 equal to 1. Test. Find out number of optical active isomers in glucose and in second molecule. This is the structure of glucose. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel and share this video to your classmates and friends so that they also can get benefit from this class. Thanks for watching.